First, I wanted to start from Portugal.
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 Okay.
Then I wanted to go to Spain.
Spain. Okay.
After that trip, I wanted to go to Italy
Italy. Okay.
by boat through
Okay.
Mediterranean Sea.
Yes. Okay.
From Italy, I wanted to come back to Spain
Spain.
with the same boat.
Okay.
From Spain, I wanted to go to Norway
Okay.
by boat through Atlantic Sea.
Atlantic Sea. Okay.
Ocean.
I never heard about Atlantic Sea. Okay.
Ocean. And then I wanted to go to Russia.
Okay.
But the last one wasn't logical.
Okay. What is it?
England.
England. Okay. Okay. Yes. So you cannot get from Russia to England.
Without any transport.
Okay. Okay. You cannot get to England by foot, right?
Yes.
Okay. So for that purpose, you needed,
I needed something else.
for example,
Ukraine or
Ukraine. No, wait a second. To get from Russia to England, you needed. You needed.
There is almost 9 cards, so I needed to change England
Okay, to change England for.
for something else.
Okay, but please name the countries bordering on Russia.
Finland, Norway,
Okay.
Estonia, Latvia, Belarus,
Latvia, not Lithuania.
Belarus, and Ukraine.
Ukraine. Okay, right. Okay, but.
There is no
Okay.
that countries.
Okay, I see. Okay, let's play once again.
Mm-hmm.